Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to text-to-speech on Filmora. If you want to do the text-to-speech on Filmora, then let me tell you that you can do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open your Filmora application to get started. Now click on the New Project button or open up an existing project. Select the video clip on which you want to add the text-to-speech option. After choosing the video clip, click on Import and wait for the video to appear on your timeline. After it is appeared, go ahead and choose the text option at the bottom of the screen. Now click on the T+ button at the bottom left and enter the text you want to convert into a speech. After adding the text of your choice, now go ahead and place it on your desired location by using two-finger gestures. And finally, after you do that, make sure that you've selected the text option that you just added, and then you will be able to see several menus at the bottom from where you'll need to tap on text to speech. Now from the next page, you'll need to go ahead and choose a voice you want to add to your video. To preview the voice, tap on the play button. And after you make your selection, click on Create. Right after you click on Create, you will be able to add text-to-speech onto your video. But remember that in order to apply text-to-speech, you will need to be a Filmora Pro subscriber. You can also go ahead and try out the 3-day free trial by tapping on Try Free at the bottom, enter a payment method, and that way you can easily and effectively add text-to-speech on Filmora. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.